Imagine diving into a world where every field sample, mineralogical analysis, and seismic interpretation becomes not an insurmountable mountain, but a landscape to explore with ease. When you embrace the cutting-edge power of AI, you transform raw data into clear, actionable insights. With AI for Geologists, you learn practical approaches tailored for earth scientists. This course takes you from the fundamentals, no matter your technical background, to hands-on exercises using real geological scenarios that let you work smarter, not harder. We know that the routine tasks can weigh you down, from cleaning data to manual analysis, and AI is here to free you up for creative problem-solving. Picture finishing tasks in hours that used to take weeks, leaving you more time for the strategic work you truly enjoy. As technology continues to advance, mastering AI becomes essential for keeping your skills valuable and your career secure. Through this course, you learn how to harness modern computational methods to enhance your geological expertise and gain a competitive edge. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. As you progress, you become the professional who can confidently face any geological challenge using innovative AI techniques. Discover all AI for Geologists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.